Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to break down how to add applications to your desktop on your Mac. It's super simple. First things first, we need to find all the apps that are already installed on your Mac. Head over to your Finder. You'll usually find it in your dock. In the left-hand sidebar, you should see Applications. Click on it, and you'll get a list of all your installed applications. Now, if you don't see Applications in that sidebar, don't panic. Just click on Finder in the top left corner of your screen, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Finder Settings window, click on the Sidebar tab. Make sure that Applications is selected with a check mark. This will add it to your sidebar. Once you've checked it, you can close the Finder settings. Okay, now that you can see your applications list, find the application you want to put on your desktop. For this example, I'm going to use the PCSX2 application. Once you've found it, simply click and drag the application icon from the applications list onto your desktop. Release the mouse button, and boom! The application icon should now be sitting pretty on your desktop. You can now close Finder, and there it is. To open the application, just double-click the icon on your desktop, and it'll launch just like normal. And that's all there is to it. That's how you add applications to your desktop on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll be sure to check them out. And don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks. Links to related resources are in the description below. Thanks for watching.